Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Travel and Cinema. And just as you guys saw Dudhsagar video, we are again back on track and we are exploring Kodachadri, and we'll be reaching Kodachadri early morning and we'll be starting Kodachadri Trek. I'll give you all the details of Kodachadri Trek. So the previous time we had come in Hyundai Creta, that is my car. This time we are going in Puneet's car, Swift. And the drive is very good until now, but on the way we didn't find good hotels where we could stop by for dinner. So we just stopped by in a hotel where we get fast food, and I've actually got food from my home, and yeah, home food is always yum, man. So yeah, we just had a quick fast food of noodles and fried rice, and now the time is almost around 11 o'clock, and we are heading to probably which place, Puneet? Where are we staying today?
Near Nagodi. It's a place where we have the forested coast, right?
Yeah, so we would be staying in Nagodi, and then again resuming the morning and would be reaching the Kodachadri base. So guys, here we are in Shimoga. So we stayed here for the night. Since the guide in Patal Lok homestay told that it is suggestible for us to stay in Shimoga. We stayed in Shimoga. We stayed in a lodge called Ashok Deluxe. It's pretty good stay, and you guys can come here, stay, and the room here is 900 rupees for two of them. So you can come here, stay, and then resume your way probably around 5:36, and then you'll reach the Kodachadri Trek at 8 o'clock. So it is 2 hours from here. So you can come to Shimoga, halt, and then proceed if you're leaving in the evening and you're tired and you're leaving from Bangalore. So this is one of the options where you can stay in Shimoga, because further ahead you don't have networks, and it would be a problem if it's late night and no one would be contacting you. So it's very feasible, and it's very good if you can stay in Shimoga and then proceed. So Ashok Deluxe is the lodge where you can stay and proceed. So guys, it's about 7:30 now, and we are here in Hosanagara. We've just stopped for breakfast. We had good breakfast of idli, vada, and drank a bit of tea. So heading towards the Kodachadri Trek now. So we'll update you guys once I reach the Kodachadri base. Almost 9 o'clock now. We've started the trek, and so you get to the point where there's a jeep stand, and then you start your trek. You have to pay 1,000 rupees to the guide, and then 400 rupees per head for the forest department. So 1,800 in all. So we're starting our trek. I'll show you the footages on our way, and the trek one side is around 12.5 to 13 kilometers. So all in all 26 kilometers. So it's been quite some time since I've done a major trek. So let's see how it goes. And you can see the waters. The flat terrain to start off. It's too dense here, and it's a very nice experience, very refreshing in the nature. Hope no wild animals come. Deep inside the forest, it's too dense, man. Guys, there are a lot of leeches. Make sure you guys bring Dettol or bring salt so that you can apply them and then avoid the leeches. There are a lot of leeches, and we're stopping by every 5 minutes to just check our shoes and then proceed. The trek, as far as now, is okay, not that steep, but we're getting to hear from the guide as we go further we get steep terrains, so getting set for that. But meanwhile, we didn't carry anything, thought there were no leeches, but since it's raining, there are a lot of leeches here, so make sure you guys come equipped with either salt water or Dettol to avoid the leeches. So we have come to the flatland. This is the first point where you get to see the peak slightly. So it's pretty similar to Kudremukh, I would say. Even in Kudremukh you get lands like these. So you guys get a house here where you can get seated and then remove your shoes, check upon the leeches and remove all of them and then proceed further. So it's a pretty good location, and it's almost similar to Kudremukh as I told you guys. So great going until now. Let's see how it goes. Punit, how is it till now?
Yeah, liking it.
Okay. So let's see. So this is the forest department house where you get after probably around 20 minutes of trek. You get to come here. You can buy things as well. There is a store. So no short of water. You get water all over. You have small streams running. So we are proceeding from the store and the forest checkpost, and you get a beautiful grassland as you go further. How beautiful is the landscape. Too good, man, too good. I'm loving the greenery. How beautiful the Mother Earth is. Look at that grassland. Such a scenic sight. Too good, man. I'm in love with this location. Long trees, the grasslands and the landscape. and towards the right you can see the water flowing. You can hear the waters. And from the checkpost, you get the waterfalls. So the waterfall is not that far from the checkpost. So as soon as you depart from the checkpost, after quite some time, you can see the waters flowing. We have a major crossing. Ladakh fields. Too good, man. You get a steep path here, so this is one of the toughest parts. So I would be keeping my GoPro inside the bag. So I'm just showing you guys how steep it is once you get these waters. It was an intense trek till the waterfall, and here we are. Crazy, man. Look at the water sound. Look at the waterfall. Too good, man. Look at our guide there. Look at the waterfall. It's amazing. Sound of the waters. Look at the falls. Since the stones are completely wet and I have no option, I had to remove my shoes. But there are leeches and you guys can see my legs. So make sure you get Dettol, or when you get to the forest checkpost you get salt. Make sure you get the salt and pump so that you can be cautious about the leeches and not get bitten by them. Woo. Look how beautiful the Mother Earth is. Woo.